Next, we need to create a new color and apply this to our text. So if I hover my cursor over the text frame and double left click, I need to click and hold down the mouse and drag across that last sentence. This call to action for people to call the bookings office I want in a slightly different color. So to do that, well, you notice here under appearance, we have fill, which is the color of the text in this case. If I click, obviously we get the swatches option up at the top, all of the saved colors in other words. Now we can create our own colors if you hover your cursor over the palette icon across the top, which is for color, and left click. Here we're only given one slider, so not very many options in here to change colors and try a new one. What you have to do is go to the panel fly menu at the top right hand side and choose CMYK. And then insert your cursor into the top field. That needs to be 0 in this case. I'll hit the tab key to jump down to the next field. Type in 82, hit the tab key. The next one needs to be 78 for yellow. And then finally, going down to the K field, which is black, type in 38. And at this point then, if you hit the tab key once more, it updates the color. And it previews here at the top left-hand side. Also notice that the text has changed in color as well. It doesn't match the color that we've created. That's because whenever you highlight any text, it's always inverted. So the area behind, which is the page, is shown as black. And what is now our red text looks like a kind of turquoise color, which is the opposite end of the color spectrum. It's an attempt to make things stand out when you highlight your text. Now, ideally, you want to save this. So you can go to the panel menu again and choose Add to Swatches. In here then, and that tells us it's a saved swatch. Go back to the swatches, and right down at the bottom, you have your saved swatch, named according to the color values. If you wish to change that, you can hover over, double left click on the chip, takes you to swatch options, turn off the checkbox for name with color value, and we'll call this Rusty. That's the name of the branded color, and click OK. And you can see there in the pop out, the swatch has been renamed. So I'll hit the return key to make that pop out disappear, then hit the escape key to come out of type editing mode. And you'll see that the color does match the swatch colors. So that's how you can create a bespoke color inside of InDesign and apply it to your text.